Greetings, everyone. I am Mr. Silsick. I'm one of the science research teachers here at Edgewood. I wanted to quickly introduce myself and tell you a little bit about the course. So basically, during this school year, the 2021-2022 school year, there's 3 teachers teaching science research. Myself, Mrs. Meredith Renninger, and Miss Katie Renninger. And I'm going to let both of them introduce themselves, right?
Hi, my name is Miss Katie Renninger, and I will be teaching middle school science research and 7th grade science and careers this year. And so if you are in 7th and 8th grade, you should be in my class. And I have a joke for you. So a dung beetle walks into a bar, and he asks, "Is this stool taken?" All right, we're going to have a great year. I'll see you later.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Ruger. I teach science research 9th, 10th, and 11th grade. I also teach the accelerated science. Some of y'all might have had me. I'm supposed to say a joke right now. I'm really not in the mood, so I'll talk to y'all later.
Now. So what will you be doing in this class? Basically, the first thing every student needs to do is to develop a science fair project. And you're going to do it one of 2 ways. You're either going to use a scientific method or the engineering design process. If you're conducting an experiment, that's the scientific method. If you're developing a product to solve a problem, then that's the engineering design process. You're going to analyze your data that you collect, you're going to draw conclusions, and then you're going to create a presentation, a product to showcase your work, to share it with the public. So what do you need for class? Basically, what everybody needs to have access to during class or in class is a computer. Hopefully, most of you have your own. If not, we do have some in our classrooms. Almost everything is going to be digital this year. We'll have a digital logbook. You'll have a digital paper, a digital reprint binder. We will be creating actual posters because, yes, Science Fair will be in person. It will not be virtual like it was this past year. Some important dates for you. So the first semester ends December 21st. Our exams occur during the 21st, during the 17th through the 21st. Science Fair, our regional Science Fair, takes place February 3rd through the 5th. Now on the 3rd, we set up after school. Friday, the 4th, we have judging all day. And then Saturday is just the awards ceremony Saturday night. So if you are a veteran science fair person, you know that this is different, that there's no fair on Saturday. You will not be at the mall all day on Saturday. State Science Fair is March 29th through April 1st, and ISEP is in May. And we think it's going to be in Atlanta, Georgia. Again, what will Science Fair look like? It's back to the old way. This past year, everything was virtual. You had to record presentations and have everything digital, including your poster. This year, it will be in person. We will be at the mall, as I just said. And no fair at the mall on Saturday, as I just said. All right, so if you have me for science research, that means you're a senior, and that I'm also in charge of your senior project. I'm in charge of the science research path for senior projects, and we're going to be talking a lot more about that throughout the year. There's a handbook that you need to have access to, which is digital, and eventually you're going to be presenting your science fair project. Your actual poster is your product to a panel of judges, and our plan is to have it in person, not virtual like it was this past year. So if you have any questions, please email whichever teacher is your science research teacher. All right, that's all I got. Thanks.